Imagine sitting in a quiet classroom. The teacher is talking, the room is still, and then, out of nowhere, your stomach growls, loudly. Heads turn. You try to laugh it off, but inside you're thinking, why does my stomach have to sound like a lion when I'm just a little hungry? Well, believe it or not, that grumbling noise has a name. Borborygmus. Sounds like a spell from Harry Potter, right? But it's actually a totally normal, biological sound that your body makes to keep things moving inside you. It's not just about being hungry, although hunger definitely makes it louder.